Hi, I'm Jazz and I am Apprentice of the Year for the Information Technology and Digital category. So I decided to choose an apprenticeship because I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do when I finished my foundation degree in art and design. I wasn't too sure if I wanted to carry on into education or if I wanted to actually start my career. So an apprenticeship was definitely the obvious choice for me. It allowed me to begin my career and actually continue to learn and develop my skills and knowledge within a different subject. The best thing about an apprenticeship for me was being able to learn on the job. So I've not really ever been a fan of being stuck in a classroom and learning. It's never really worked for me. So being able to learn on the job and being able to put in practice what I've learned from my sessions with my assessor was just really valuable and enjoyable for me. It was a really efficient way of learning, and I found that I learned a lot more than I would in a traditional classroom, I guess. So my employer, Tute Education, they were absolutely brilliant throughout my whole apprenticeship. From the get-go, really, they were so supportive. The team are brilliant. It's a very nurturing and healthy working environment. Everyone uplifts each other, so from the get-go, really, they were very supportive. I think Tute being a small company, they didn't really know what the job role was going to entail, and neither did I when I first began my apprenticeship. So we worked together really to develop a job role, and my apprenticeship definitely was the outline for that job role. So from beginning to now, it's evolved so much, and that's because of the apprenticeship and the support I had from my assessor and what I've learned in my unit. It's shaped my role now at Tute Education. My apprenticeship has allowed me to overcome challenges both professionally and personally. Professionally, I think I didn't really know what I wanted to do with my life when I finished my foundation degree in art. So doing this apprenticeship, it's allowed me to begin my career really in a subject that I didn't really know I had much interest in. As soon as I researched that apprenticeship, I knew exactly that was for me. And ever since, I don't think I've turned back now. I know that now that marketing is my career really. And personally, it's allowed me to grow so much in confidence. When I first began my apprenticeship, I remember walking in not really wanting to speak to anyone because I was so shy, I guess. But now on a monthly basis I have to deliver a management report to the management team every month, so it definitely helped me building confidence, self-confidence. So it's been very valuable for me, both professionally and personally. Since completing my apprenticeship a year ago now, I'm happy that Tute actually decided to take me on full-time as a full-time employee, which I was chuffed about because I love working for Tute. And soon after I finished my apprenticeship, I was promoted to Marketing and Graphic Design Coordinator. So I guess my future, it's to be with Tute for the foreseeable. I'm really enjoying working there. So yeah, I'm very excited to see what the future holds with Tute and hopefully be able to build up my career with Tute Education.